Questions and answer. School. Guess 12 butterfly names. Options: whites and sulfurs, atlas moth, tiger swallowtail. The correct answer: atlas mouth. Options: monarch, glasswing, swallowtail. Correct answer: glasswing. Options: Gulf fritillary, common buckeye, tiger swallowtail. Correct answer: Gulf fritillary. Options: Parentius, common buckeye, zebra longwing. Correct answer: zebra longwing. Options: dead leaves, common buckeye, painted lady. Correct answer: dead leaves. Options: Gulf fritillary, cardinal white, swallowtail. Correct answer: cardinal white. Options: painted lady, cardinal white, red admiral. Correct answer: red admiral. Options: skipper butterfly, queen birdwing, red admiral. Correct answer: queen birdwing. Options: tiger swallowtail, common buckeye, question mark. Correct answer: tiger swallowtail. Options: banded orange, green hair streak, question mark. Correct answer: question mark. Options: eastern comma, Montezuma's cattle heart, question mark. Correct answer: Montezuma's cattle heart. Watch more videos. Like, share, subscribe.